Today we present one of the smallest cordless impact wrenches in our range, the 9212 SPC-1. The 9212 SPC-1 allows you to work flexibly and independently without cables or hoses. The cordless impact wrench has impressively small dimensions, a convenient weight of only 1.45 kilograms including battery, as well as a pleasant look and feel, making practical and comfortable use the hallmark of the 9212 SPC-1. It also has many applications in and around the home. A loosening torque of 260 Newton meters makes light work of stubborn screws. A practical use for the cordless impact wrench is changing tires, for example. You can quickly and easily deal with wheel bolts. The 9212 SPC-1 is also very well suited to other tasks in the home workshop. The 9212 SPC-1 cordless impact has other features that make working and operating even easier. A light above the operating lever allows you to illuminate the work area before output has even begun. By tapping the operating lever, the light is switched on and remains lit for several seconds even if the wrench is not being used. The cordless impact wrench also includes a belt clip attachable on both sides so that you can carry your device with you at all times. The hand strap prevents the cordless impact wrench from falling during and becoming damaged. For work carried out using a ladder, this accessory is essential. The rechargeable battery of the 9212 SPC-1 is a powerful lithium-ion battery with a low self-discharge of just 2%. This means it's ready for immediate use even after longer periods of disuse. The remaining power available can be viewed easily at the bottom of the device with a 4-stage charge display. The 9212 SPC-1 cordless impact wrench is offered in a practical canvas bag with a quick charger. It also comes with a choice of either 1 or 2 batteries. The 9212 SPC-1 is also compatible with all batteries in the HAZET product range. Mobile power combined with comfortable operation, that's the HAZET Cordless Impact 9212 SPC-1.